Hi guys, it's me, Gordon from GWTV, and today we are going to fit cab blinds in the VW T5. Okay, so it's been a little while since we last did an install video. So I've got these custom covers, which I must stress, I'm not being paid to fit these or install these. I bought these myself over Christmas. There'll be a link in the description to the company that I've used. You can pick these up off of eBay for around about £50, something like that. The ones that I've got, they're material, they're cab blinds. They basically stick on the windows with magnets, and then at the front they go on these pillars with little poppers, and then go behind the windscreen visor as well. So and they're blackout ones, which is super exciting. So first what we'll do is a little bit of an unboxing. Fittings, cover. It also comes with this funky looking cover. You just open that with a Velcro and then all the free bits fit in there. So I got the first one. I don't know if you can see on it, but it's basically got magnets sewn in all the way through around the edge here. It's got loads of magnets sewn all the way through. The stitching's really good. So the good thing is it's not like you're going to be able to shake this and then all the magnets are going to fall out or anything like that. So the way this goes on, just very quickly, is you get that on there and you just basically start sticking these magnets on, a bit like poppers. There we go, bosh. So that's on. How easy is that? Straightforward. Same on the other side as well. And then the one on the front, I'll just show you that. And so if you can see along this A-pillar, what I've done, I've actually screwed in, there's 3 little poppers with just self-tapping screws that I've screwed in along this A-pillar. I'll just show you a close-up. So we've got those 3 poppers, which all I've done literally is I've got myself a nice little drill bit, and there's a ridge, you can't see because I've trimmed over this, but there's a ridge that goes right the way along. I can fit it with my finger all the way down, so just so that they're evenly spaced. So what I've done, using the little packet of poppers that they send you, there's 6, 3 for either side with 6 screws, 3 for either side again. You pull down your sun visor, and then it's got these hooks, see these tabs, and so you get that and you hook it over there, and you pull this round a bit, and then you just tuck this up there, and then it's basically just a case of getting the poppers, and then you just stick on each of the 3 poppers. And so what I did, you can see how straightforward that is, and then basically what happens here is this just gets pinged all the way up behind there. Same on the other side, that's completely black, as you can tell already, like the lights going. As I started to drill these holes, I just basically got the first one, moved that off, and then drilled that through, just screwed it in. Then I got the tension of the next one on here, look where the popper would need to go, and then I did the same again, and then screwed that one in, and then the same the next one. That took about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so I've got my next screw and little popper, I've got my drill bit. Okay, so we're going to get that hook, and that's going to go over the sun visor, so we pop that down. That's going to go over there. Now you can kind of see me, I'm sorry for like the light, but it's because I'm blocking all of this out, but you can see that tucks up behind there, and as I pull this round, the first popper is going to be just here, the next one is halfway down, and then the next one is right down the base there, and so I'm going to use my finger, find that ridge, pop this up out of the way, and so that is going to be right in there. Boom. I'll take that off of there. Okay, get my screwdriver. I'm just going to screw that straight in. Look, straight forward. So there we go, got a lovely little popper in there. They're self-tappers, so they'll find their own way. And you just keep twisting and twisting until you feel it bite, or until that's not wobbling around anymore. There we go. We've got all the poppers on. I'll show you how it all works nice and quick. So we get that and stick this on this one, and then we get the other side and we do exactly the same, and then we'll just pull these round so they go around the back like that, and then both those visors go up, Okay, then we're just going to try and pop on these 3 poppers. Okay guys, so we're all done. Look, there we go, blinds on there, blinds on in there. As you can see, there's not really any light coming through. Looks absolutely perfect. I'm really happy with it. It's good stuff. If you've liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber already, please subscribe. If you press the little bell button next to it, then you'll get an update every time I do a video. There we go, cab blinds done.